Jai Hind students, welcome to live session of English. Now today we are going to study chapter number 4, The Enemy by Paul S. Buck. And for this, first of all, I am going to share that some important points. We will study those important points first, and then we will go through the story. Let us see those important points first. The enemy. See, students, this is the chapter which we are going to study today. As per your revised syllabus for session 2020-21, it has become chapter number 2, as some of the chapters have been reduced from your syllabus. Now let us study the chapter The Enemy by Paul S. Buck. Now let us see those important points, main features, because these are necessary for understanding the chapter. So first of all, let us see the introduction of the chapter. The Enemy, it is actually the story highlights the conflict between humanity and patriotism. Remember, students, that story highlights the conflict between humanity and patriotism. Now let us see the introduction. The first point: it is the time of the World War II, and when Japan was at war with America, the American prisoner of war gets washed away to the doorstep of a Japanese doctor, Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is the protagonist of the story as well, the most important character of the story as well. And the choice is very hard for Dr. Sadao and his wife, as his wife was also along with him at that time. And should they hand him over to the police or save him from dying? This was a question which they were considering to see the enemy. And being a doctor, Sadao gives top priority to save the life of a dying man, but it was the professional call of a doctor. He had given top priority to his professional call as a doctor to save the enemy without considering whether he is a friend or enemy. He had treated him as a human being, and not only does he save him, but also helps him in escaping to freedom. And in this way, that he had not only saved the life of the enemy, rather he had helped him also to escape safely from Japan. And now let us see the second important point, students, that is the theme. And we see in this story the writer brings home the idea that there may come a time for man to rise above petty considerations of race, state, or nationality, and act on human considerations. And he gives a top priority to the human considerations. And this is what happens in the story The Enemy, when Dr. Sadao, who is the protagonist of the story, has to rise above national considerations and act on human considerations. Dr. Sadao, who is a patriotic Japanese, and he hates Americans as his enemies, like other patriots, like other of his countrymen, because Japan is at war with America at that time, and by chance an American prisoner of war is washed ashore near his home near the beach, and Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana overcome their initial feelings of animosity towards the wounded soldier Tom, and they decide to carry him home. And though they fear that for this anti-national activity to give shelter to an enemy, they may be arrested and even executed, but they strongly feel that they cannot let a man die before their eyes without doing anything. So Dr. Sadao feels that it is his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. So he operates upon the soldier and saves his life. And by this noble act, he shows that human consideration should overweigh over all other considerations in certain situations. And now let us take the another important point, that is the title. And sometimes students that question long answer type questions are is asked, like justify the title of the story, and in this case this question is very important to justify the title of the story, the enemy. So let us see about the title. So here we see that it was the World War II, and an American wounded soldier was washed ashore in front of a Japanese doctor's house. And since he is the enemy of all the Japanese people, Dr. Sadao, the Japanese doctor, is a surgeon, and he is also a kind-hearted person. So he was not willing to save him, but even though he gives him shelter into his house, and the servants who consider this American prisoner as their enemy, they protest against his presence in the house, and even they disapprove of their master's action to save the life of an enemy, especially American, and they want the enemy to be handed over to the police. But Dr. Sadao and his wife consider him their enemy. They too consider him their enemy, but they since they are kind-hearted, and he is a doctor also, quite generous people, so in spite of all their mental conflict, their dilemma, they save his life out of human considerations. The doctor's commitment to his medical profession, to his medical call, urges him to treat him as a patient. Though the couple regards him as their enemy, they save his life. Hence, we see that the enemy is very appropriate and suggestive title to the story. Now students, let us see that another point, that is the message. So here, as much as message concerned, the author conveys the message that during the war an enemy soldier should be treated with kindness, and At another level, the writer also conveys that a doctor should be above the nationality, religion, caste and creed, and he should act like a true human being and serve the ailing humanity. And here Dr. Sadao, who is a Japanese doctor, gives shelter to an American wounded soldier in his house, and he treats him like a patient. He never considered him as enemy. He treats him like a patient and operates on his wound. He extracts a bullet from his body which was stuck on the lower in the lower back on his body and saves his life, and thus he displays his commitment and devotion to the medical profession. Now in this way, students, that we have seen the message also. Now next point we are going to cover, that is the characters. And in order to understand any of the story, as we know that it is important to know the characters. If beforehand we have known about the characters, important characters, then it will be easier for us to understand the story. So as much as this story concerned, that few characters are important. First of all, that Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is the protagonist of the story, he is the most important character, and his character sketch can also be asked in board examination to write the answer in 120 to 150 words. So these points are also important in that point of view. So let us see that Dr. Sadao Hoki, first of all, few important points. Later on when we will finish the story, then you will be able to understand each and everything. But while writing about the character sketch, we should know some important characteristics of that particular character. As Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is a competent and committed doctor, and he is an efficient scientist also, and he is committed to his professional duty, and he is trained to save the lives, and he is also a reputed surgeon and did some discovery. And Dr. Sadao does not lack national loyalty. He is patriot as well. We have seen on the basis of this story. And because that you can also give the example that after he has saved the enemy soldier, he gives the report to the general as well, that he had saved the life, he had sheltered an enemy, and he knows that he can be stamped as a traitor, and he can be punished for his anti-national activity, especially at the time of war, to give shelter and save the life of an enemy soldier. So but here we can see it was another quality of his personality, that was the brave and fearless. He was brave and fearless as well, that he had taken the risk of his life by doing so. And we also see that he is a kind, generous, full of human considerations, and he is also means Dr. Sadao is also very loving, caring and devoted husband. So in order to prove this point, you will have to give the examples. So after completing the story, that you will be able to give the examples also. And as we have seen that he helps his wife and in the kitchen while his servants left the house. So overall, in short, we can say that Dr. Siddharth Hawke is essentially a kind human being and a renowned doctor, and he is a scientist too, and a reputed who is reputed for his discoveries. And some other points also you can give, but these points are sufficient. By giving the examples, you can complete the word limit. Now let us see the another character, and that is the second important character is Hannah, his wife, and a few qualities of her character is Dr. Siddharth's wife. She is Dr. Siddharth's wife, and she is very loving, caring, and a sincere lady, and she is devoted to her husband and loves her children. And we can also see that she is full of human considerations. She was very kind hearted, and she also assists her husband in performing the operation on the wounded soldier. She develops tender feelings for him for a while. And some other points we can get in her, that Hannah is a good and dignified housewife, and she is quite obedient to her husband as well. And when servants leave the house on the seventh day, they are paid off by Hannah. It also reveals that her kind and generous nature. She overall, she is a picture of dignity and courage, dignity, devotion, and courage. So these all points we can consider while we will study the story. Now, apart from this, some other characters which are important, which you will have to consider about, means they are the General Takema. Though the Japanese general is ruthless, so he was also very ruthless, very rude, very hard, and his attitude in the matter of enemy considered is the difficult to understand, but in case of finally in the end, whatever we see, that it is difficult to understand his nature. Though he was ruthless, he was very hard and very strict, but even though in case of enemy soldier, that he became soft. Dr. Siddharth was very indispensable for him, and because that shows that he was also a self-centered person, and who thinks about his own interest first, and he does not take any action against Dr. Siddharth for sheltering the enemy soldier in his house, and he is suffering from serious ailment, and is always in need of his services. He does not get him arrested, because that he knows that in the case that he would not be able to get his services, and somewhere that he, either due to his illness or his old age, that he was not able to perform his duty as he promised to send the two private killers to Dr. Siddharth's house to kill the Japanese soldier. And we can also consider another point, that it is also possible that he thinks that the doctor is innocent in the matter, and so he does not want to get him arrested, and he also knows it that if he Dr. Sadao Hockey will be arrested in case of he needs operation, as he was suffering from a serious illness, then he could not believe any other doctor instead Dr. Sadao. So considering all these points, you can also write the character sketch of General Takima. And Tom the American soldier is the another character who was wounded, was assured in front of Japanese doctor, and he was just 17-year old. In this way, that when we will study the story, we will be able to know about his character as well. Now students, now here that I am going to share the story on your screen, and let us go through the story, and I am going to explain the entire story. I am going to share the story on your screen. Let us see it. Now here it is. Though we have covered all the important points, now it will be easier for you to understand the story. So this is this is the chapter, The Enemy, from our supplementary book by Palaswap. And before you read the story, that we should also see this, that it is the time of war, World War. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of the Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? You know what he should do. Now, since we have covered the important points, theme, title, and even Dr. Sadao's character also, what is the reason, we know it, we can you can give the answer of this question. But even though that, for other details, we are going to study the story in detail. Now let us see. The story begins as Dr. Sadao Hockey's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast where as a little boy he had often played. That story begins from the house of Dr. Sadao Hockey's, and it was built on this on the Japanese coast, where he often used to play there. And his house was made of square stone, and it was set upon the rocks well above a narrow beach, and that was outlined with the bent pines, and that his house was surrounded by the pine trees. And as a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet, as he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. He copied the other men, some people that who were trying to climb on the coconuts. It was difficult to climb on the coconut tree, so pine tree was also like that, and he was also trying to climb with the support of his feet when he was child. So his father had taken him often to the islands of those seas, and never had he failed to say that the little brave boy at his side, those islands yonder means, look, he used to tell him that he was very serious, and he was telling him the things very seriously, and he said to him once that those islands yonder, look there, that there was a there were islands, and they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. And he used to tell him that those islands are the stepping stone, initial point for the future of the for Japan. And where shall we step from them? Sadao had asked seriously, and Sadao was also very serious, and he seriously asked that where shall we step from them? Then his father told him, who knows? Who can limit our future? It depends on what we make it. And it depends that he very 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 serious, very important answer here given, that he says that who knows, that who can limit our future? Nobody can limit our future. Our future is unlimited, but it depends upon us. It depends on what we make it. It depends upon us, that in which way we are going to take our future. And he used to tell him everything, even in his childhood, seriously. And the Dr. Sadao was also taking his father very seriously. He was an obedient child. And now see in next paragraph that Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him. And his father, that Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said, means he followed. He was obedient child, so he followed everything what his father used to tell him. His father, who never joked or played with him, and his father was also very serious about him, because he never played, he never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him, who was his only son. And because that he was only son of him, so that's why he was taking pain to he was ready to take all the pains for him, for the for his progress. And Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. Now Sadao knew that his father's chief concern was his education, and right from the childhood that Dr. Sadao realized this fact. And for this reason that he had been sent at 22 to America to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. And that's why for medical study at that time, that America was very famous for medical study. So at that age of 22, Dr. Sadao was sent to America for medical study. And he had come back at 30, at the age of 30, means he spent 8 years there in America to complete his medical study. And before his father died, he had seen Sadao become a famous, not only as a surgeon but as a scientist, and it was the wish of his father to see him as a famous doctor. So in his lifetime that Dr. Sadao became famous as a surgeon, not as a surgeon only, rather as a scientist as well. Because why he was famous as a scientist as well, as that he because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Remember student that it was, that it means what was his discovery? He was doing a discovery on perfecting he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. that he got a success in his discovery, and he was so competent that he was able to heal any of the wound, any of the injury entirely. So he had not been sent abroad, and that's why that he had not been sent abroad with the troops, with the Japanese troops, and also that Japanese soldiers, because Japanese army, because also he knew that there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which that he was now being treated medically. And because the old general was at that time suffering from some serious illness, and he knew it, he had so much confidence over Dr. Sadao Hockey that he was now being treated medically, and if he needs any operation for his condition, so he couldn't believe on any other doctor than Dr. Sadao Hockey, and he knows that only Dr. Sadao Hockey was able to save his life in that critical condition, and that's why he never tried to send him abroad with the troops. And for this possibility, Sadao was being kept in Japan, and that's why Dr. Sadao was kept in Japan. Now here let us see, students, next paragraph. The clouds were rising from the ocean now, and the unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Now the story that begins from here, that there was a morning at that time, and when both of them, Dr. Sadao and his wife, were at their house, and clouds were rising from the ocean now, and the unexpected warmth, there was unexpected warmth from the past few days, and because of that, next morning there was a heavy fog from the cold waves, and Sadao watched mist hide outlines of the little island near the shore, and then come creeping up the beach below the house, and that's why that area was completely covered with the fog, with the mist, and the mist has reached to his up to his house, and breathing around the pines, and whole area was covered with the mist, and in a few minutes fog would be wrapped about the house too. Then he would go into the room where Hana, and then he was thinking that within few minutes that his house will also be covered with mist, and he had to go into the room where that his wife Hana was waiting for him along with his two children. Means he, along with his wife and children, he was leading, Dr. Sadao was leading a very happy life. He was quite happy with his married life in his family. But at this moment the door opened, and she looked out, a dark blue woolen haori over her kimono. Haori and kimono, these are the Japanese dress and traditional dresses. And then while he was thinking about all this, to go inside the house, then he found that Hana herself came out from the house, and she came to him affectionately and put her arm through his, as he stood, smiled and said nothing. And when he came, both of them were in a very affectionate mood, and he had met Hana in America. Now that here it is told that how Dr. Sadao met his wife Hana in America, and he said that but he had waited till, though he had met Hana in America, he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure that she was Japanese. That though they met in America, but he until he became assured that she was from Japanese race, as it was the wish of his father that he will not accept uh, any girl as Sadao's wife until he is confirmed that she is from the same race, from the Japanese race. And his father would never have received why he did not fall in love with her even after meeting for such a long time, because that his father would never have received her unless that she had been pure in her race, because that he was quite obedient. It was his father's wish that he will not accept any of the girl until she will be from the same race as Dr. Sadao's wife. So he wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hana, and by what luck he had found her in the most casual way. That was because means he loved his wife very much. That shows, this sentence shows his affection towards his wife, and he used to talk usually about her, that how he met Hana in America. It was by chance, literally, at an American professor's house. The professor and his wife had been kind people and anxious to do something for their few foreigner students, and professor and his wife, they were kind people, and they supports, they help to the foreign students there in America. And the students, though bored, means they did not like much their company, students did not like much professor and his wife's company especially, but they had accepted this kindness because they were quite kind. So that's why they were living with them. And Sadao had often told Hana how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house that night, and then that Dr. Sadao oftenly used to tell to Hana that how he was not willing to go to Professor Harley's house that night because the rooms were so small. Professor's rooms were so small, the food was so bad, the professor's wife was so valuable, so talkative, and which was not liked by Dr. Sadao. But he had gone and there he had found Hana, a new student, and had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. And when he went there that night, and when he saw that a new student Hana was there, and then he compromised, and then he felt that to see Hana, he had developed his affection with her, and that he thought that if it will be possible that he would love her. And now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him. And even though they had been married years enough to have the two children, for they had not married heedlessly in America, since they are living their life very happily, and since they for they had not married heedlessly in America, and they are still attached, emotionally attached with each other, because they followed all the traditions, all the cultures of their family, and they did not carelessly married in America. They could have married in America, but they did not do so. They had taken the blessings of their elders, and they had finished their work at school and had come to Japan. And first of all, they were quite serious about their study. First of all, they completed their study, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. And when they came back to America, his father met Hana, and it was confirmed that she was from the Japanese race, and then that he arranged their marriage in a Japanese traditional way. And although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand, they had talked everything about their marriage already, but they were perfectly happy. But even though they performed their marriage according to the Japanese tradition, as it was the wish of Sadao's father, and they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm, and at that time they were perfectly happy. There was no problem. They were leading a happy life. And now, students, here that from this paragraph onwards, we will see that how that they came to know, they met Tom the enemy, and that part of the story begins from here. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mist, and it was this time while they were talking affectionately. They were at their house. They were looking towards the mist, towards the sea. They were in front of the sea. They saw that something black was coming out of the mist, and it was a man, and they realized that it was actually not a thing, rather it was a man, and he was flung out of the ocean. He was thrown out of ocean and flung, it seemed, and to his feet by a breaker, and he staggered a few steps that he couldn't walk properly. He was injured. It seemed that he was injured, and he felt difficulty in walking, so he was staggering, and his body outlined against the mist, his arms above his head, and then the curled mist hide him again. And when he came out of the fog, then once again he was hidden into the mist. Who is that? Hana cried. So to see him, Hana cried that who can be that? Who is that? She dropped Sadao's arm, and then both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Means all of a sudden they became serious to know about the person that who was trying to come out from the sea. And now they saw him again, and the man was on his hands and knees crawling. Man who was coming out from the sea, that he couldn't walk, so that's why he was trying to come out by crawling, by creeping, with the help of their hands and knees. And then they saw him fall on his face and lie there, and they could see that he fell down on the sand, and he was lying there. A fisherman perhaps, Sadao said, washed from his boat, and Dr. Sadao guessed that he would have been a fisherman, and he would have been washed from his boat, fell from his boat in the sea and trying to come out from the sea. He ran quickly down the steps, and behind him Hana came, her white sleeves flying, and Hana also followed the doctor. A mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages, but there was only the bare and lonely coast, and dangerous with rocks. And the fisher in a mile or 2 miles away from there was a fishing villages, but there was only the bare and lonely coast. But at that time it was the coast only, no man was there. And dangerous with the rocks, it was quite dangerous because dangerous rocks were there. The surf, the foam of the sea beyond the beach was spiked with rocks. It was quite dangerous, quite harmful. The rocks were quite harmful, and somehow the man had managed to come through them. He must be badly torn. And then anyhow that man was trying to come out from the sea, and he was lying on the beach, and he must be badly torn, and means it seemed that he was badly tortured, badly injured. They saw when they came toward him that indeed he was injured, and the sand on one side of him had already a stain of red soaking through, and they could see on the sand that some red stain of the blood stain could be seen there on the sand. It means that he was really wounded. And that's all for today, students, and rest part of the story we will study the next day. And so I suggest you to attempt those questions which are related to the paragraphs which had been covered today, and try to write the answers in your notebook. That's all, students. Thank you and have a nice day.